Hello dear friends, good day. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today we're diving into creating realistic denim clothing designs. Using CLO 3D and Marvelous Designer, you'll learn to simulate stunning, lifelike textures with ease. Let's explore two techniques now. Now let's dive into creating these distressed jeans. Let's create it. Take a close look at this reference for guidance. Check out these stone-washed textures in this area. Take a look at the intricate seam details on the front of these pants and notice how they continue along the side. Once your design is ready, focus on crafting a denim fabric for your outfit, or the project remains incomplete. Thanks for joining, friends. Goodbye. Dive into enhancing your clothing with intricate details for top-tier simulation. Do it. In the software library, in the material folder, click on the hard brand trims section. Check out this folder labeled as washing text. Dive right into the action by selecting that folder. Then, head over to the scraping section to explore the next exciting step. Explore the scraping section to discover amazing designs saved in the PNG format. These designs are perfect for decorating the front of pants. See how they match this reference example. We're making progress. Alright, time to pick one and move forward with our design. Simply right-click to choose graphics number. Here, I'm diving into the tote pattern section to bring this design to life with some creative touches. Time to adjust this graphic and make it pop. In the graphics editor, adjust size and modify the design. This will shape the pants perfectly. It's small. I'll increase its height too. Okay, I'm doing it. And place it correctly. Now on this part, we can add some let's make adjustments in the graphics section. When we click in the Properties window editor, you can make the desired corrections. Go ahead and apply it. Make it less white. Adjust the fade to match the background color. Take for instance a shade such as this vibrant blue here. Moving forward, let's explore. I'll reduce its opacity too. There we go, the result looks just right now, don't you think? Just right-click on it. Simply select Copy and Mirror to the other side. Let's move forward by pasting the copied element right into place. This simple step ensures symmetry and saves time as we build our design. Keep your workflow smooth and efficient with this quick action in 3ds Max. Let's see the result. Let's take a render preview. Check out this quick view. What do you think of the final look? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this creation. Does it capture the vision? Drop a comment below and share your feedback with me. Check out how these intricate details bring the clothing to life, enhancing its realism beautifully. Not fond of this design? After rendering, explore the properties right here. Curious about different styles? Head to the base color map editor and check out the designs. Explore the library's inner secrets. Feel free to tweak it. I'll choose the third option. Alright, I'm going with this one. Let's see how it looks. Building on the tweaks from our last design, we fine-tuned the color and dialed in the opacity. Let's check out the stunning result together. Now let's see how these changes come to life as we apply them back to the clothing, creating a truly impressive and polished look. Take a peek at the transformation. How about we boost the opacity just a touch? I believe that small tweak will really enhance the overall effect. Let's try it. This way, we get better results. So it's time to revisit our earlier steps and refine them. Dive into the library section to explore existing designs for upcoming elements. Check out various pocket opening styles or back clothing details, and let's incorporate those ideas into our project as well. Take a look at this design. I think it's the perfect choice for us, and I apply the pocket here. These changes mirror that section perfectly. That matches the earlier version exactly. Take a look at the property editor. Here, we can tweak the color and opacity settings to get everything just right. Once more, we've nailed the exact look we were aiming for. Perfect. Now go ahead and copy this setup so we can apply it elsewhere in our project. This little trick ensures consistency across your 3D designs in 3ds Max, saving you time and effort. Apply it to the other side as well. We do. When it comes to the back of the pants, just follow the same approach as before. I think this design will work perfectly for it. Next up, let's tweak the graphics by fine-tuning their size and position to get everything just right for the design. I do, and I confirm. Let's duplicate this and position it on the other side. Alright, I'll go ahead and paste this duplicate right here. Take a moment to ensure it aligns perfectly with the other side. Precision matters in 3ds Max, so let's double-check the placement before moving on to the next step in our project. Time to explore another method. Stone textures applied to seams. Diving into CLO 3D, I began crafting those detailed double seams with precision. Got it done. Time to tweak settings. Now let's craft an awesome stone texture together. Got it. In this section. Diving right in, you'll find a handy feature in 2D pattern mode known as pickering. Give it a try. When you click on it in the default packing section, there's a normal map. Feel free to tweak its density and opacity to get the perfect look. Start by adding color and fine details, applying them to the outer edge initially. Time to check the outcome. Does it look correct? I'm going to tweak anything that needs adjusting. The image is completely hidden right now. Needs some adjustments. Try boosting its density perhaps. Do it. Additionally, head over to the base color map section where you can craft a vibrant base color to bring your design to life. Since there's a normal map, expect a base color too. It stands out more. Feel free to tweak its dimensions too. See this. Take a look at this section. It's calling for some extra attention to get it just right for our project. Let's make it a bit smaller. Happy with how it looks? Go ahead and duplicate the object, then tweak it a bit to refine the details. Dive into applying this in the upcoming sections. Go ahead and give it a try now. For example, on pocket edges. Take a look at this. By combining these two tools, we've crafted a straightforward yet impressive pair of pants with ease. Imagine bringing designs to life with stunning simulations that captivate and inspire. Was this tutorial useful today? Hey, stick with us for more awesome tutorials ahead.